Stephen Most. We got northbound intermodal coming through. Getting ready to pass this mixed freight that pulled into the siding for the let the coal and this intermodal race through, but got a couple cars coming. Get on across the tracks, bud. There's a train coming. I think that other train sitting there kind of gives them a little don't slop too much. Is he stopping? Why is he slowing down? Thought he'd be coming through a little faster than that. There he comes. As you can see so far ahead. There goes the signal. Yep. Got a Mac. K5LLA. Gotta love it. AC, and then a DC to AC. Knock down the signal. Like the 40 footers. Straps are coming loose on these tarps. Should be a T12 or 12T, Norfolk Southern. Here at Shenandoah Junction. There you see the end of the train way down there. Stephen Most. Watching Norfolk Southern 12T intermodal, led by a SD70ace. Got a red Freddy. Stephen Most. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. North it goes to Greencastle, Pennsylvania.